counting it is essential to identify the element involved in the product cost of a good or service. These elements allow us to determine the manufacturing value and understand how costs accumulate during the product cost process. To develop this activity, the assembly of a Lego toy that replicates a car is used as in its sample. Through this exercise, a product process divided into different departments is simulated where the shared cost elements are identified. Direct raw materials, direct labor, and indirect manufacturing costs.
Cost element, direct raw materials. The cockpit used directly in the construction of the car. Fuel device, the wheels, the body, and the decorative piece. Direct labor, work performed during the toy assembly process, including the construction of the chassis, installation of the wheel, body assembly, the final details. Indirect manufacturing cost resources necessary to care of the product that are not their part of the product, such as the worktail, line, workspace, and the use of tools. Yeah.
Three cost elements. Direct raw materials are the main materials used to make the product. In this kit, there are Lego pieces for the chassis, Lego pieces for the chassis, but pieces for the wheels, pieces for the body, decorative part of the vehicle. These pieces are the direct part of the final product. Direct labor is the work done by people who build the product. This activity is the work of the student to assemble the pieces with the vehicle structure, install the wheels and components. This work is the effort needed to turn the pieces into the final product.
1. Manufacturing overhead. Manufacturing overhead includes costs that help the production process but are not part of the product directly. Examples: work table, lighting, tools, workspace. These resources help the assembly process happen.
3. In the production process, 4 departments are identified. In each department, 3 types of costs are generated: direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. Department 1 builds the chassis with a total cost of 17,300 pesos. Department 2 installs the utils, gains a total cost of the 10,900 pesos. Department 3 construction the body, gains a total cost of 14,450 pesos. Department 4 performs the final assembly, gains a total cost of 7,850 pesos.
The chassis costs 70,200 Colombian pesos. The wheels cost 2,100 Colombian pesos. The body costs 4,250 Colombian pesos. The finishing assembling costs 70,150 pesos. The total cost of the Lego total 500 Colombian pesos.
The finished production in the field assembly to ready for use. After paying to the for use departments, the total cost on the production is. This value represents the total production cost of the for 2 days.
Work in progress inventory refers to products whose processing is not yet complete. For example, in the toy only has assembly chassis plus installed wheels accumulate cost. 600 plus 300 work in progress inventory equal 900. This indicates that the product is not yet finished.
Conclusion. The analysis of cost elements allows us to understand how the value of a product is generated throughout the production process. Throughout the assembly of the Lego type toy, it was possible to simulate the operation of the production line, identifying the departments involved in the manufacturing process. Likewise, it became evident how direct raw materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead costs accumulate at each stage of the process until the finished product is optimized. This type of exercise facilitates the understanding of the cost system used by the organization to control and analyze production.